Auntie. Today I have one visitor,
Tomato.
and today we are going to be playing with Slime slime. So today we have the Orby Malocues. And then we have water beads. Then we have reindeer poop. And then we have neon slime. So don't forget to thumbs it up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. And thank you for watching this video. So Jeremiah is going to start with neon, and I'm going to start with poop. No, and try not to make... Oh, mine's already open.
That's how you open it.
Wow. It's so glittery. See? I just opened it way right here. So it's so glittery right here. Why is it so glittery? It's so glittery.
Why is it so slimy? It's this.
Wow, that's so small. Oh, that's because you didn't get all of it off.
It's so sticky. Hottie, I got it or not?
No. Oh, really? So,
Hottie, am I
how's
going
y'all's
to it or
day?
not?
Wait. How's y'all's day, parents, kids?
Good.
Kids at school and parents at home. How's y'all's day?
Hottie,
Oh, wow.
am I going to it or not?
I would say yes. You didn't even try.
Hottie,
Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so shiny. So shiny. So shiny. So I'm trying to get all the glitters. Just stop to get it in one place, y'all. One place. One place or the other. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna get you now. One way or another.
Hey,
I'm gonna find
I got
you.
big 10. What's up, guys?
I have a red glitter hand. What's up? Here, give me a high five. I'm Aquaman. I'm Aquaman.
I'm Aquaman too.
Yours doesn't really work that well. Like this. Wow. Oh, it's stuck on me.
I'm Aquaman, baby.
Aquaman isn't even pink. I don't know what color is Aquaman. Comment down below.
I know.
Comment down below.
Green color.
No, that's Green Lantern. Comment down below. What do you
No, green
think?
color.
Yeah, that's Green Lantern that you're talking about. Because the only superhero that's green is Green Lantern.
And I'm talking about green colors. Green.
That's Hook.
Huh?
That's Hook.
Ooh.
You mean the big green guy? That's Hook. No, that's Hook. Aquaman. I saw it in Teen Titans, remember? That boy who likes
Dollfire?
no, who likes no, I meant like who likes a dolphin, who likes the ocean. Remember that dude?
Aquaman.
Yeah, that's Aquaman. I was going to say, comment down below, who is Aquaman? Who is Aquaman?
You don't know who is Aquaman?
Now I do, because I remember.
Auntie,
Well,
look.
I'm going to make a bubble, ready? Oh, wow. Stay. Oh,
Auntie.
you split it in two. Eli.
Auntie, want to see something?
Where's the wrist? Oh my goodness. It feels weird. Why is it so sticky? Why is it so sticky?
I want to taste.
No thanks. Until 10 minutes.
Okay, we done now.
No, we aren't. I say when
We
you're
done with the video.
No, we aren't.
Bye, guys. comment down below if you like the video or not. Bye. I don't.
Okay, then you out. Shoot. You
win.
remember? Okay, shoot. Shoot. Shoot.
Look, he riding my people.
Oh, look to your mouth. Ready? Wait, ready here. Ready? No, I'm trying to do something. No.
Ah!
Remember. Yay. Get over here. So ready? Oh, yours doesn't flip. Mine flipped. It's not gonna come out.
Yes.
Oh, wow. It came out. Come on. I'm suspended for a week. Okay, never mind.
I'm not.
Of course I'm not. I'm a straight A and B student. But, okay.
Party, look. I'm being hungry.
Oh!
Ha.
Stop. Don't touch it. Ready?
Pasta.
Whoop.
Party, look. I'm getting hungry. Nom, 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 nom. Party, want to see something? Go back. Go back. Wee, whoop, 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 whoop. Party, look. I'm hungry. Oh, I know what it is. No, 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 no. Apartment.
How is he Batman? He's Pac-Man.
No. I say he Pac-Man.
Oh, I thought you said Batman. I'm like, how is he Batman? And then like, yeah.
Wee.
And then like that. And then like that. And then
He
like that.
our food. That's my food. He my food.
Oh! It's like right in the camera and then that was so cool. Yeah.
Amen.
This doesn't make a bubble. That's why I don't want to play with that.
Really?
It's true.
That be rude. Mommy, I can't
It's like spit coming out your mouth.
No, look. I put it
Let
on
me get right in the
party, look.
so y'all can see.
Nay, I want to say the
You mean Santa's reindeer? Here.
Ah!
Here. Yeah.
Somebody did that
Oh! It flipped again.
Ah, hello. I want to say that too.
Wow, that's real crunchy.
Party, look. You're on camera.
It's gonna stick to his face and absorb his face. Ah, it's cold. Never mind. It's cold.
Ah, I get out of my face.
Ah, it's getting on my... There's some on there. Okay, don't do that.
Okay, I put myself in the seat and turn that on.
Oh, that'd be sweaty. You should do a video about that where he puts himself in the refrigerator, in the sink and just watches himself off. Then I would just put this up.
And I'll get cut.
No, you won't.
I mean, turn it on.
Here, put that over there. Here. I think to make a big bubble.
Wait, yours? Where is it?
It flipped in the trash. It flipped almost in the trash can. Ready? I'm gonna make a big bubble.
Where is it?
It's under your treasure now. I can't believe I flipped that. I was like, it
Hey!
feels so ill. Ow. You hurt me. You cut my nail. That's not funny.
Sorry. I'm being bad
nail.
boy.
He cut my nail. My nail.
You will. Hockey. Hockey. Hockey, want me to fit this?
Sure. That's not gonna work, but okay.
Okay. Whoa!
That doesn't work.
Wait.
That doesn't work. It doesn't work that. Look at that. It literally landed like that. That's so cool.
Hey,
Listen.
I can't get this.
Ready? I'm gonna put it over here and put it over here. Who you gonna call? Go. Buster. Stop.
I
Don't touch. It. Now it's tea time with Bubbles. I named her. Hey. Ooh. Stop.
I like coffee. Let's take. Yay, we can eat.
Hey, no, we aren't.
How can I change? I like change with that one.
I'm gonna make like a center bubble where they can see it, and it could be tea time with Bubbles.
No. Auntie, I got it.
Oh wow.
Okay, I have to put it. Put it back. I'll keep it this, you know.
No, you aren't.
Ah! Auntie! Ah!
My bubble.
Auntie! No! I don't want
Listen to that.
leave.
Jamash. Wait, no, I need to do it again.
I can't have.
Ew, my foot's itchy.
I can't have
No, it didn't.
ants on the foot.
There's ants in my pants. There's ants in my pants. There's ants in my pants. There's ants in my pants.
Ants in my hair.
No, there's squirrels in my hair. 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 Hair. There's squirrels in my hair.
I have
There's squirrels in my hair. There's squirrels in my hair.
Auntie, read my top.
In here. Ooh, that feels weird. Really?
Haha.
Really? Really? Yeah. Listen. Shh. Jerome, ready?
That'd be fun.
Shh. That's so satisfying.
Whoa.
That's satisfying slime. I wonder how. That. I square my hand in the air. Hand in the air. Say,
Auntie.
oh,
I
slime in my hair. Say slime in my hair. Say slime in my
Ooh.
hair. Look, ready?
That's
Chew.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, no. You have your top in there.
I want to mine in my hair.
No.
Why?
I didn't really put mine on, but I did like that, and then I took it off. Well, I didn't take it off. I sneezed it off. Yeah, I sneezed it off.
No. You see it off your mouth.
Ew. Who does that?
Me.
You're disgusting. You're disgusting.
And Hearty. My other Hearty in my class. Oh, I heard you say, I don't have other Hearty in the
Yeah,
class.
you don't.
I knew it would say that.
Look, shh. Ready? Shh.
Jesus.
No, I'm trying to make a satisfying noise. Okay, switch. Jeremiah, get the top out of my slime. That's not funny. Like, that's not funny. I can't even get it off now, Jeremiah.
I harder.
Where's the case? That's way down there.
I mean,
You can make slime with, you can make bubbles with this.
I bought the.
You can make bubbles with this. Yeah. Figure out a cool way to make bubbles. Yeah! Should have learned before thinking. That's why it said satisfying bubbly slime. I'm like, bubbly slime? Let's get it and see what it does.
I didn't want taste now.
Oh yeah, we got these all at Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. We got these all at Walmart.
And you help me make the bubble.
And so this one, the water beads were in the arts and crafts center.
Hey.
And these were in the toy section. And the slime were in the toy section. So yeah. Stop, Gemma. Stop, I said. Your mom's looking at you back.
Okay, stop. Okay, stop.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
You did it wrong. Here, so you're supposed to squeeze it. You're supposed to. Okay, don't do that.
Hello.
No. You just farted. I heard that. He was like, that ain't funny. That's disgusting. Get out of here. He farted in the show. Don't fart again. That was funny though.
I can't help it.
He's a poo-poo head. Get it? A poo-poo head. Oh, remember this is poo-poo head. Stop.
Get out.
Get that off my head. Stop, Gemma. Not mine. No, it isn't. It's mine. No, I'm helping him make a bubble. You can make your own bubbles, but I'm just helping do this.
That's Batman.
How?
I got Batman.
Whoa! I'm sorry. It's just I haven't made bubbles. Here, Gemma, scoot back over.
You do know how to make
I
bubbles.
do know how to make bubbles. It's
With
just-
bubble gum?
Oh, yes, I do.
Now it's slime.
Yeah, slime, it's kind of new to me. Because I do work after I come home from school.
You do what?
Yeah.
At what point?
No, not like work. Like I...
Hardy, do it. I couldn't see the sign.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, me do
Try
it.
to make your own. 'Cause this-
I see a bubble.
Wait.
Pop. Hey, pop. Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, you know how many bubble with you sign? How you do
It's
that?
small, Gemma. It's smaller. Sit down, Gemma. Sit. Ah! Here, I need a scoop.
You dirty one. That's what you get.
Do 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 do.
Bam! How do you know how many bubble with? No, I said mine.
Stop.
It's Sammy.
I cleaned his hand. Ow. They ran over my toes.
They didn't went over my toes.
I got glitter in this.
Mine go
You guys-
fast.
Mine. I got glitter. We're back.
Okay, we done now, please.
Hello, Jeremiah.
No, not with the beetle, with the sign.
slime. Here, I just want to play with this thing one more time.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay.
Like, okay, we're done with this kind of slime. Get my top and I'll get your top. Be right back. We're back. Ew, okay.
You don't.
It farts. He did that! Since you're Mr. Tootie Pants.
Where's the foot outlet?
Oh wow, it made the swirls.
And the foot outlet.
Here, try to get that in. Now let's put this in. Okay, I got that. And
Hey.
he.
Hey, I got it.
Okay. Now we're going to start with this one. So you can squeeze it.
Here you go.
Boom. Hey, stop. You can squeeze it, or do you want to start with this one?
I want to start with that one.
Okay.
I won't put.
You're gonna just put the water in. Oh, yeah. So we got the water beads from the art.
I put
So
that in
first
a
we're
memo.
supposed to take. So first we're supposed to fill a large container of 3 cups of water.
Okay, I'm doing water.
I know, I'm just doing it for you. For that,
Okay.
I may need to go get more water. So I'll be right back. Hiya! Pour it in the bowl. Okay. Jamas. Lee, why'd you do that?
You want me to?
I said don't pour the whole of this in.
I
Just pour
didn't
that.
know.
Up.
I saw you, Hunty.
Here.
I didn't hold you. I'm sorry. Did you give me?
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, I put it.
Nope.
I put it here, please.
And then now we're supposed to add more if gusto. Okay.
I mean,
that's it.
put that in.
Wait. We're still moving.
This is so
Wait.
awesome.
Okay.
Ah, you got me wet.
Take
Come on,
1
okay.
tablespoon of water beads and place them in your water.
Let me do it, please. Yes.
Is it a capital T or little T?
TBS. TBS, that's right. May need scissors. Go get those scissors off the shelf.
Huh?
Go get those scissors. You better not do that, Jeremiah. Okay, so just like put this open.
You
Like
think you
that.
can see it. I just don't think Hunty. I don't think.
Are you ready? Ready? Go. Gonna put 1, 2.
Oh!
Yeah, why don't we just pour? No,
Auntie!
stop. No, I'm not.
Hunty.
No. Here, I need E.B. So,
Oh, I see.
come on, take that out.
Okay.
I might just pour the whole thing. Ooh. Okay. Will they come out? So we're just gonna.
Hey, you said me.
No. Come on.
Okay.
Just leave it. Ooh. So pretty. Okay, so we're gonna sit. Okay. No more. Just one.
Hey! You don't need it.
Jeremiah,
Go.
put it down.
Hey.
And now it says, let the water beads sit for 2 hours. up to place to 24 hours to full growth. Drain in excess water from the container. Decorate, craft, or play with fully grown water beads. Notes. Once water beads are removed from water, they'll be decreased in sizes. You can add more water to reseat them. So we're going to move this out the way. And we need a towel.
Yeah, I make it.
Jeremiah, stop.
That's how I scoop it off. Okay. You know them. Now you have fun.
Okay.
Okay, now that. Now you're good job. Hey, let me check who the movie.
Jeremiah, stop. That's not one. That's over there. Okay. So, now we're going to play with this one. I'm going to try to take it out.
Are it?
Yes.
Oh.
Don't touch until I get all of it.
Oh, good. Shadow different.
Here.
Hottie, why can't we be? Hottie, don't tell you. Oh. You got a big one out.
Ready?
Set.
Let's play. Here, you want to make a heart?
No, a cat.
Cat? I don't know how to.
I know.
No, you don't. Okay, ready? Here, we're going to split it in half.
Why you giving one?
Come on, just... Okay, so...
Hottie, look.
We're going to
Did
do
you
a
have-
competition.
No, I'm not paying.
We are. I
I-
already said so, come on. So
I'm
we're
not
going to do a
paying.
competition between who can make the best arts in town. Ready?
What I'm making?
You can make whatever you want. I know what I'm going to make. Ready? Steady, go!
Dee.
I know, right? And you're going to try to guess what it is. But no. So I need, Jeremiah, sit down. So I need amount of this big. I'm going to just make one of these. And then take another one, put it like that. And then take another one and put it in like that. Then we're going to begin one of these. Make a mess. So I'm making. Jeremiah, close your eyes. Close them. Jeremiah, point what you're making.
What?
Jeremiah, no, like do like that or something like that. Okay. No, show them. Here. No, I'm gonna. No, you open your eyes and close, and point to it. Ready?
Okay. Wait.
Ready?
No. I'm ready.
Okay.
What I picked, I guess.
No, we aren't gonna.
Oh,
Yes.
I'm making so many.
Oh wow, Jeremiah.
Whoa.
And it doesn't have to be something on here. It can be whatever you want.
So many.
Don't tell us what you're gonna make. Now make something else since you shouted that out. Now make something else that you shouted that out.
It's a bear. Okay. You got it out.
Shouted it out. Make something else that you shouted it out. Say something else that you shouted it out. Say make something else that you shouted out. Make something that you gave to the shadow out.
I make these.
A baby.
I think I like that so far.
Don't tell me what it is. I'm supposed to tell the person what it is. Supposed to tell them what it is and not me.
Ah,
I'm
my
supposed to tell them.
maze.
Oh wow.
Ah, my maze.
Yeah, I showed them the things that we have done. There's a snail. Oh, I've made this so far.
What is
And
this?
show. I'm not supposed to tell you.
Show what it feels like.
Oh, it feels like so. Look, it feels so sticky and like yeah, right. It's so sticky, like.
I think they get big.
Ooh. So we're gonna show them our beads real quick. Jeremiah, put your stuff.
Just tell me, I'll say you'll show me in 2 days.
2 days. So that's how it looks so far. Here. It's gotten bigger. Close up.
I never do this before. You eat those?
Nope. So we're going to show y'all and
me
Ooh,
pizza.
Jeremiah,
I didn't do that.
you scared me. So we're going to show that in 2 days. So let's finish up our project. So yeah, like I said, it feels sticky. It's very, very cool. They have like ice or something, sticky glue.
Hey, for my name was Pete.
What's my name? What's my name?
No, I said for my nails.
Oh,
For
what are
my
my nails? See, look.
What my nails? Hottie.
Yeah. Like, have something on there. It looks like earwax, but it's not brown.
Hottie. Hottie.
Okay, Jeremiah, finish what you're doing.
Hottie. Look.
Okay, Jeremiah, finish.
I do this. See what I'm doing.
Oh, wow. Jeremiah, come on, finish. I'm fin to be done, and that means you need to be done. And that and this.
Look. One finger holding one.
Yeah, I know. I can do that.
What? What?
Okay. So we're gonna just. So we're going. Jeremiah, where's Jeremiah? Come on. We need to show them what it is. 5, 4. Hurry up. 3. Okay. Here, I'll start it over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 1 in that. Here, I'll start from 10. 10, 9. Hurry up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're gonna cut the timer real quick. Okay. 5, 4, 3. Here. 2.
I have done.
You have to hurry up. Fine, I'll start it over. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hands up. So we're going to reveal what it is. Jeremiah goes first because he's the youngest.
Okay.
Is it something on here?
You said you do everyone you want to.
I know. You can either do something on here or whatever you want. Is it something on here?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
What is it?
A boat.
Oh, what?
A boat.
Show the camera. What? Here. Not doing
A boat.
It's a boat.
I can't do it. I did. I hear.
And guess what mine is? Wait.
I saw a ring.
No, it's not even close to being in the water. Okay, there. And there we go.
I saw
What
a
is
ring.
it? Wrong.
Poo-poo.
No.
Oh, a boat.
No, Gemma, I got one out the water.
How?
It fell out the water.
Put it on mine.
No, I'm gonna put it back in.
You will. We are.
Okay. Gonna add this one. Okay. Come on, Gemma. Put it in.
No.
No, you have to. That's what it's for. You better not. I'm gonna check.
I did. I put some more in.
You have to. Okay. So.
Wow. I want to do this.
You can't squish it until they be in here for a while. So put them in. Okay. So mine was. Guess what it is, Jeremiah? Come on. Stop. Stop. Guess what it is.
Some
So we go. Yes, to guess. Jeremiah, guess.
It's too hard.
Yeah. What is it? Poop. No. Okay. So mine was a cowboy. Here's a
Don't you
cowboy.
are cowboy.
It doesn't have to be. Jeez.
Yes.
So, no, it doesn't. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like, that's not perfect. Okay, so...
I did
here's
you. I did our car.
No, it doesn't. Okay, so mine was a cowboy riding a horse.
Woo. Get off me.
Get off like that. So we're going to destroy our creations. Ready? Steady, go!
I'm going to do this.
Yeah, me too.
So me off.
Ooh, freedom.
Hey.
Okay, so, Jamal, get over here. Oh!
What did I? What did you do?
You splattered it all over the place. 1 second, guys. Okay, so we're going to end this video.
No.
Don't forget to thumbs it up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. And thanks for watching this video. Say bye to the fans.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
What are we doing?
Superhero.
On the case. Yeah.
To the creature rescue. I saved that book. I saved that chunky book. If you need help.
Ow.
Where's this thing? Wait. You're supposed to put your arms in. Put your arms in here. That. He's superhero on the way. Gotcha. I can fly.
I think you mean Homo Panda. I want Homo Panda.
Superhero. Okay, superhero's gone. Wait.
You're what?
I'm a science reporter. Let's see what this panda's up to. Take that belt. I got that. Haha. Elijah, say, I'm a reindeer. Say hi. 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 Elijah, you want to go somewhere?